Today we'll be looking at descriptive statistics, and here we have our file for our biostatistics grades. So this is our data set that we're using. So we want to look at some descriptive statistics. For this, we're going to go to Analyze, and then obviously go to Descriptive Statistics. Here we have 4 different functions, but we'll look at the frequencies function. The first one we're going to do, we're going to look at a categorical variable. So here we're going to look at the different faculties that students were enrolled in. I'll put that across. So because the categorical variable, we wouldn't need these statistics right here. So I'm just going to unclick them. Good. So down here at the bottom of this interface here, we have frequencies table. Because we want to see a frequency table for the distribution of the different students across the different faculties, we'll leave it at always. But you have other options to set it, or we'd want to set it or order it, or you'd want to order it. Okay, so let's click continue. And let's look at charts. What type of charts? So if it was a numeric variable or a continuous variable, we could do a histogram. And we could superimpose a normal curve just to judge the distribution. Here we have clicked bar charts, and we also have pie charts. Good, so we're going to click continue, and then let's click OK. And here in the output viewer, we could see here a frequency table showing the distribution of students across the different faculties and the different percentages. Here we have a pie chart showing the different faculties and the proportion of students in each faculty. And here we also have the bar chart displaying same. What if now we use a continuous or a numeric variable? So let's go to Analyze, let's go to Descriptive, good, and then we'll go back to frequencies. So we're going to just send faculty back over, and let's look at assignment, good, assignment underscore 20. So we're looking at some marks here for the assignment that was marked out of 20 marks. So we'll go back at frequency table. So because we wouldn't want a frequency table for this, because it would be a lot of figures. So here we're just going to click never, and then click continue. And then we're going to come here to charts. We wouldn't need a bar chart and we wouldn't need a pie chart. So we're going to unclick those. But let's do a histogram to see what the distribution of the data is like, and also to do a superimposed normal curve to judge for if it has a approximately normal distribution. We want to click continue, and here we have a lot of different statistics that we could get. So let's click mean, standard deviation, the minimum, the maximum. Let's look at variance too. Skewness, we'll discuss that in another video. Range, mode, median, and let's click OK. And we're going to go to our output viewer, and let's scroll down. So here, so we've seen our different statistics here. So we've seen the mean, the median grade, the mode, standard deviation, the variance. We see what the range of values is like. We know the lowest grade for this assignment was 2 marks, and the maximum grade was 20 marks. And here we could see the histogram and the superimposed normal curve, and by looking at it we could see that it was approximately normally distributed. So that's how you perform the frequency function on the descriptive statistics using PSPP.